remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Sometimes you don't have a lot of time to come with a meal, but you have a lot of ingredients and they're easy to cut, 10 minutes, and then you can cook that in a short amount of time and make it delicious. So I have some steak strip, a piece of steak cut that I cut into strips. I'm going to cook some of this. And you have some random ingredients here to make this delicious. Not an Italian meal, but more of a Mediterranean as a whole. I have a tomato here that I cut in chunk. I have a small tomato that I grated because I don't like to use canned tomato sauce. Half of a green bell pepper, stripes. Small onion, cut it, chop it. I have some parsley, Italian parsley. This one is dry. I have it for a while, so I dry it. A little bit of oregano. I have about 2 big teeth of garlic that I just chop. I found these mushrooms, my porcini mushrooms. You can use any type. This one are dry, one wild. Some paprika to help with the color of the tomato sauce I have here. Extra virgin olive oil. Some my spinach. I don't want it to go bad, so I'm going to cook with it. And of course, I have other minor ingredients like vinegar, salt, and black ground pepper to put this together here. And clearly, you're going to complement this with spaghetti and some sort of pasta. I have my Mafaldine, which is a kind of pasta. And I'm going to use that one. You can use any type, but I'm going with Mafaldine. Very quickly, just a little bit of vinegar. This is about maybe a tablespoon. Then you're going to put a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. It's about a teaspoon. Pepper, black pepper. And a little bit of salt to taste. And what you're going to do with this, you're going to mix it up with your hand. Get this flavor mix, and then get ready for the next step. See how easy? So pretty much boiling this water, have a high heat. I'm going to reduce it to kind of a couple notches above medium. And what I'm going to do, first I'm going to add a few drops of oil, extra virgin olive oil. The reason I'm doing this is a few drops. Is because I don't want my pasta to stick. This is also you start putting your pasta. And you're just going to cook it. When it starts softening a little bit, just push it down because you want everything cooked. Let it soften and then you push the rest down. And then what you do with that is you cook it for about 12 minutes, okay? So you're letting them, the 12 minutes are counting when everything is in the water. So I have a pan. This one is a little bit deep. Got to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I have it at high heat to get it, ready, but you can reduce it to medium high. Heat it up. And what I like doing first, I like dealing with the meat first. So what I do is I put some of the meat. And you're going to cook this for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes. It's not going to take a long time. Worst case, 5 minutes. Notice how the vinegar is keeping it moist. I've been doing this for about 2, maybe 3 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my tomatoes. Peppers. The onions. You want to mix things up for about 2 minutes. The reason I added the tomatoes now is because you want them to soften. About a minute or 2 later, add your tomato sauce or the grounded tomato. What you do now, you add a little bit of paprika. It's about maybe half a teaspoon. What it does is give you some color and taste. You can put some of the garlic. And add the mushrooms. These one are dry, but they're going to soften with the tomatoes. A spinach, because I want it soften. I do want to cook. If you don't have spinach, go with basil. Basil would be a great choice. Once again, this is no Italian, this is Mediterranean, original recipe. If it was Italian, that tomato sauce would have taken me a while to prepare. A little bit of oregano. And a little bit of the parsley. So I'm playing with flavors, aromas. And I'm going to move things around for a little bit. See how it is? It's not liquidy. You can, if you want it saucy, just use tomato sauce from the can. Or more tomatoes. I don't do that. Mediterranean, no Italian, remember? Although Italy is in the Mediterranean, it's a Mediterranean nation, this is no Italian, this is a Mediterranean inspired dish. Now here, my pasta has been 12 minutes. See how nice? What I'm going to do, what you do is you move it from here to another container where you can drain the water, okay? Leave it there for a couple minutes. This is how, see how nice and thick. And now you put it together, okay? I'll show you. Grab you, baby. See how beautiful. You put on top. Nice visual. Nice, oh my goodness, this smells delicious. Just do your thing. The kind of cheeses depend what kind of inspiration you want. If you want to go more of a Greek approach, go with feta cheese. If you want to go more of a, perhaps Italian, go Parmesan. It doesn't matter. If you want to stay more of a Spaniard or Northern Africa, you know, you might go with goat cheese if you want to stay more of the Northern African type thing. You want to go Spanish, you might leave it like that. Maybe go with goat fish, not fish, but cheese. Or leave it like that. Just plain. That's simple. You don't have to go crazy. Just keep it simple.